Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Fliki AI. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable dark mode on Fliki AI, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in fliki.ai and make a search. The official page of Fliki AI will appear on the screen. Sign into your Fliki AI's account and it will take you to the home page of Fliki AI's account. Now to enable dark mode on Fliki AI, tap on light icon at the top right side of the page. It will enable dark mode on Fliki AI in no time. This is how you can enable dark mode on Fliki AI quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.